Hi, my name is Ashton San Diego, and this is my submission for discussion number 2, Eukaryotic cell structure and function. This here is a diagram of a eukaryotic cell, and I'll first present the first structure, the cell membrane, which is this outside structure. The cell membrane is a thin outer layer that surrounds the cell, and it controls what goes inside and out of the cell. It's like a security guard. This helps protect the cell and keeps the inside environment stable. The second organelle that I will present is ribosomes. Ribosomes, I believe they're right here. Ribosomes are tiny structures inside the cell that make proteins. They follow instructions from the cell's DNA to build these proteins. And these proteins are important because they help the cell grow, repair itself, and carry out daily tasks. The next organelle I'll present is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that fills the inside of the cell. It holds the organelles in place and allows them to move slightly. And many important chemical reactions happen within the cytoplasm. The next organelle I will present is DNA. So DNA is actually an acronym, and it stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. And DNA is the cell's genetic material, and it acts like an instruction manual and tells the cells how to make new proteins and how to function. DNA also passes traits from parent cells to new cells during cell division. Next, I'll be presenting the nucleus, which is this piece right here. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It holds the DNA and sends out instructions that control the cell's activities. By protecting the DNA, the nucleus helps make sure the cell works properly. The next organelle is the Golgi apparatus, which is right here. The Golgi apparatus is like the cell's packaging and shipping center. It receives proteins from the rough ER, finishes preparing them, and sends them to where they're needed. This helps the cell stay organized and function efficiently. The next is the mitochondria, and the mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. They create energy that the cell needs to survive and perform its tasks. And without mitochondria, the cell would not have enough energy to function. The next organelle I would like to present is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough ER is a folded membrane structure with ribosomes attached to it, and it helps make proteins and move proteins to other parts of the cell. And it works closely with the ribosomes and the Golgi apparatus, as stated previously. And the ninth and final organelle is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And the smooth ER is similar to the rough ER. However, it does not have ribosomes attached. It makes fats or lipids. It helps remove harmful substances and stores important materials like calcium. These jobs help keep the cell balanced and healthy. Each of these organelles, they all play a different role in maintaining the cells, maintaining the function of the cell, and they all play a unique and important role. Thank you.